4.3b, finding the unit rate of change. The unit rate of change is the rate of amount per unit. We can use the unit rate of change to compare true cost of an item. So what would a unit be? A unit might be 1 pound of something, or one item specifically. So an example of a unit rate would be how much you're paying per ounce of oil. That would be a unit rate because it's based on an ounce of oil, the price being based on an ounce of oil. So let's look at an example. Auto Corporation charges $25.50 for a box of 300 lug nuts. What is the unit price of lug nuts? So we have 300 lug nuts, and in total they cost $25.50. We want the unit price, which is dollars per unit, and a unit is a lug nut. So dollars per lug nut. From the last lecture, we learned that the word per means divide. So what we're going to do is divide the dollars by the amount of lug nuts. So let's do this. We divide $25.50 by 300 lug nuts. This ends up in an answer of 0.085 or 8.5 cents per lug nut. So this leads to 0.085 dollars per lug nut. This is the unit price of lug nuts from AutoCorp. It is 8.5 cents per lug nut. Why is this important? Well, we might want to know if a competitor has a better deal. Let's look at an example where we have to consider two competitors and see which is offering the better deal. Example 2. Company A sells 6 pounds of MIG aluminum 4043 for $38, and Company B sells 8 pounds of MIG aluminum 4043 for $48. Which is the better deal? So we have to find the unit price for each. And the unit price is going to be dollars per pound. So remember, per means divide, so this translates to dollar over pound. So let's figure out what the unit price is for each company. So Company A, we take the amount of dollars total, so $38, and put it over 6 pounds. This equals $6.33 approximately. While Company B, $6.33 per pound. So dollars per pound. And Company B has $48 over 8, which gives you $6 per pound. The better deal is clearly the one that costs less per pound, so Company B has a better deal for aluminum.